With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that is given over here is acid in stomach, saliva in mouth, and tears from eyes all prevent microbial growth belong to which of the following barriers? So the first option is physical barrier, the second option is a physiological barrier, the third option is a cytokine barrier, and the fourth option is a cellular barrier. So let us solve this question. Let us learn that the immunity is divided into two types. So the first one is innate immunity and the second one is the adaptive or acquired immunity. So innate immunity has different types of barriers like the physical barrier and the physiological barrier. Innate immunity is that kind of immunity which is present at the time of birth itself, whereas acquired immunity is obtained or gained or acquired during one's lifetime. So let us see an example of a physical barrier. A physical barrier can be a skin. It is the first line of defense or the defense mechanisms. And now let us see the second option that is given as physiological barrier. So all these acid in the stomach, saliva in the mouth and tears from the eyes, these are all physiological barriers. Physiological barriers are those that pertain to the physiology of the organism. And now let us see the third type of barrier, the third option that is given as cytokine barriers. So see, cytokine barriers are those that play a very important role in the innate immunity by acting against the invading agents during the beginning stages of the infection in human beings. For example, now if an infection has occurred or there is a microbe, so cytokines will be secreted in order to act against those given substances or microbes. Now let us see the last type of barrier, that is the cellular barrier. So cellular barriers, at the cellular level, barriers can be anything like the cell junctions. For example, we all know that the endothelium is the layer that will line the blood vessels, right? So in these blood vessels, suppose there is any infection, so there will be what is known as the cell to cell junctions. So these junctions will be so tightly arranged such that, so the cells will be so tightly arranged such that any microbe cannot enter the blood vessel, and this kind of cell to cell organization is seen in the endothelium. So this is the cellular barrier. It is an example of cellular barrier. And now the question asked here is acid in the stomach, saliva in the mouth, tears from the eyes are examples of which kind of barrier? So if you see the acid in the stomach, acid is nothing but the one which has very low pH, right? So that cannot favor the development or the growth of the microbes. So this is pertaining to the physiology and hence it is a physiological barrier. And similarly is the saliva in the mouth and tears from eyes.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.